Hey y'all, welcome to T-Ham 141 Homestead. My name's Tracy. If this is your first time here, welcome. If it's your millionth time here, welcome back. Boy, it is sunny and bright today. We are making some electricity. I got thinking, the other day I made a mistake in a video, I'll link it up here, where I shot with my right eye, my non-dominant eye. I shot my 9mm Luger LC9. And I was hitting off to the left. And I got thinking, I have my Smith & Wesson model 3913. It fits in my hand. It's a little bit longer barrel, but I've always hit low left with this. The other day, I fired my Ruger LC9, my everyday carry gun, with my right eye, and I was hitting to the left. I think because I normally shoot with my left eye as my dominant eye. So I'm thinking that might help here. So I'm going to shoot with my right eye and then my left eye and see if this makes a difference. And I'm about, I don't know, 5-10 yards. And put my eyes and ears in. I wear glasses so I don't have to worry about my eyes. But the ears I gotta worry about because I have horrible tinnitus. Alright, here we go, firing one with the right eye. Okay, you see it hit low left. Okay, now let me fire with my dominant eye. That's more center and higher. Another. Beautiful. All right. Boy, oh boy, that's what it is. Because you can see I'm out, the weapon is clear. Decocked, all that good stuff. So I just put it in my pocket for now. You can see this was my first round that I fired with my right eye. My second round, and then once this pistol, you fire once, okay, and it is clear and unloaded, decocked. Okay, you fire once, and it's a double action. As you pull the trigger back, the hammer is coming back. It's a no-bob hammer. And then you hit the point, and it goes forward. But that puts another round in. Now you're a single action. So you don't have to, it's not so hard to pull the trigger back. Okay? So that was double action. Okay, then I decocked it, put it on safe, then that was double action. But once I went to the single action, I can live with that all day long. I can live with that. How did you get? So I have another magazine. Let's go ahead and see how she do. All right. Same distance. Left eye. Headshots. Double action. Single action. Single action. I killed him. Put it on safe. All right. First shot, double action, headshot again. Single action, single action, single action. Weapon is clear. Decock. This is a point I need to apologize to Wendy. I'm sorry, Wendy. I bought the Ruger LC9 because I needed a firearm that I could depend on to hit what I was aiming at. Now, even though, yes, at 7 yards, this first shot with my right eye, yes, my first shot with my right eye, yes, it still hit the paper. However, you add distance to that, you know, 25 yards, and that round might go off the paper. Now, when I shoot with my firing eye, my dominant eye, I shoot right-handed. This is wrong, by the way. I fire wrong, just to let you know. I fire right-handed, and I should fire with my right eye. I fire my rifles with my right eye, but that makes me hit low to the left. Now, I can adjust these sights, but I've tried before, and I'm going to need some kind of press to adjust these sights. But I use my dominant eye, my left eye, and cant my head. It's a little unnatural. But as you can see, let me get out of my own way here. It's well worth it. It changes the dynamic of me firing. Whew. Got to pick up my brass. I'm going to get into reloading. So yeah, guys, that's a dilemma if you're hitting low left or low right. I was still hitting a little low, not much, but if you're hitting to the left or right, make sure you're using the correct eye. Adjust your sights as needed. Man, oh man, I got the LC9, but this is just it just longer barrel, bigger, more weight. More weight keeps you stable. It keeps you from ricocheting that up, you know. It's just a bigger gun, but it's still small enough to be concealed. I think it called it the Lady Hawk or something because it was better for small hands. Now I do have this magazine. It's another empty magazine, but it's got this built for my fingers, and it just makes the gun fit me so much better. Alright guys, I hope you got some entertainment out of this, maybe a little education. If you're hitting off, maybe it's not the gun. As I found out, my problem was me. Alright y'all, if you like this, go ahead and hit the like button, the subscribe button, that little notification bell so that you get notified every time I come out with new content. YouTube's got a video right down here, and I have a playlist up here that I think you're gonna love. Alright, y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.